Alright, so I'm going to be running all of these up to here. I went ahead and made my cuts. I'll stick this thing in the fire and then bend all of them, grind them down. Hopefully it'll turn out good. I got them all bent now. See if you can see those there. All right. Let it cool down a little bit, then I'm going to take it to the grinder. Then I'll probably heat it back up and make sure everything stayed straight. Which I don't think it did. I think I got a little bit of wiggle in there. We can fix that.
Another 2x4 or something to like kind of lock them in.
The wife came out and she's bugging me about fixing stuff. So I'm going to have to take a pause from this for a second. Got it straight. It did have a little bit of a wiggle in it, but that's pretty much gone now. So now I just got to let it cool again, and then back to the grinder. Got it pretty well shined up. About ready for the heat treat. But first I'm going to drill some holes in it. So, see how that goes. Alright, so got everything ready, drilled. About to stick it in the fire and go in for a quench here in a second, so hopefully that'll go good. We'll see. Alright. Quench went pretty good. Turned out hard. So I'm pretty happy. Didn't bend. Looking pretty good. Clean it off, throw it in the oven for a little bit, and yeah, I think that's going to call it a night for me.